Through this presentation, we would look at the explosion in Lebanon at the port of Beirut, which happened on August 4, 2020. The explosion in Lebanon resulted in injuries and a great number of internally displaced people. The blast occurred during an economically and politically complex time in the country, which makes it even more crucial to look at it.
يا ويلاه. الله أكبر.
عمل ذرة هيدا.
يا صورت.
The force of the blast waves was so enormous that the extent of window smashing went as far as 25 kilometers, which left the city of Beirut far behind. Authorities say the blast occurred when a fire at a warehouse, Hangar 12, on the city's waterfront ignited ammonium nitrate, an explosive material that had been stored in the site for more than 6 years. When this happened, the temperature rose extensively, resulting in a minor blast and then a massive blast a couple of seconds later. Zooming in to Beirut, the powerful explosion had sent a huge orange fireball into the sky, followed by a massive shock wave that overturned cars, damaged buildings, and shook the ground across the Lebanese capital. It was a moment of a great fear, says the president. Lebanese authorities say that the impact was such that there were more than 250 people killed, 5,000 injured, and an estimated 3 lakh people that were left homeless. Now we do understand the large-scale impact of this blast, but what kind of movements does this trigger at a street and an household level? We would first zoom in to the area outside the Pearl Gallery at Beirut. Footage of a would-be happy occasion interrupted by the explosion in Beirut. A bride, she in her white dress poses for the photo. She looks perfect, made for this moment. But then all hell breaks loose. Windows are shattered, dust and debris fly everywhere. The bride and groom run inside a nearby showroom trying to save their lives. The camera that was capturing the joyous moment suddenly becomes witness to a tragedy. The landscape is transformed from one moment to the next. Let's now look at the kind of scenario that this explosion created within a household at close proximity to the Beirut port. We see a caretaker and 3 children peeping outside the window looking at the chaos created by the minor blast. The blast waves hit their building, the furniture is shifted all the way across the room, glass is shattered, and the children along with the caretaker starts to evacuate. Time after time, we see such events taking over the news and social media, leaving a major impact on us. It is important to analyze and relook at these events to gain a better understanding of not just the transformations they bring about to the physical landscapes, but to the emotive landscapes as well.